friends, welcome to a new vlog. So, I've been secretly planning a surprise trip for Erik, and he knows that we're going somewhere in 2 hours, but he doesn't know where. So going 2 hours north in the middle of the country, and where we're gonna stay at a yurt. And I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like a really big tent in the middle of nature, and yeah, it's supposed to be really nice. So yeah, I booked that for us tonight, and we're staying there until tomorrow. And we're gonna bring Elsie with us, we're gonna bring some food, and we're just gonna enjoy some time in nature, and I'm really excited. I love planning surprise trips. So I guess you guys are wondering if this is a special occasion, but it really isn't. Erik's been working a lot lately, and we needed to do something fun to have some quality time together and just spend time in nature. We both love that, so I know he's gonna be really happy, but he has no idea. Keep our fingers crossed that the yurt is really nice. Erik's upstairs and he doesn't know I'm filming this, so I'm gonna pack all of our stuff and we're gonna get in the car and start driving. So I'll see you guys in the car. Don't go anywhere, okay?
So Vanessa is currently planning some secret or packing for some secret trip that we're gonna make. I have no idea what she is doing. I feel very confused at the moment. I just know that we are going around 1.5 hours somewhere from here.
Yeah.
I think north, I think towards Valencia, but
Okay.
more than so I don't really know.
Yeah, it's because he asked me, will the car have enough charging? Is there any charger nearby? So now he knows it's north, but I still don't think he knows what we're doing, right?
I have no idea. We'll see.
What do you think?
I think you're gonna be near a, they call it a cove or something,
Yeah.
or some beach where we can do some snorkeling or something.
Okay. Good guess. I'm not telling you anything. But we need to pack because we are a bit late.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. So we are now in the car and we're going to destination unknown. Where do you think we're going?
Something with snorkeling. Yeah, some kind of picnic. A cooking class sort of, but you bring your own food. I think it's something near the ocean at the beach or something. Near Valencia.
Yeah. That's so sneaky. I love throwing surprises.
Is it into the countryside? No, because we want to... Yeah, this is gonna be exciting.
There's so many questions.
So
little answers.
So little answers.
So few answers. The funny thing is that they already know what we're doing. So you and Elsie are the only ones who don't know. Show you where we are right now. It looks like this. Where we are right now, we're trying to find a road.
What was the name?
To the left. Camino Saiton. Are you ready, Elsie? Have you figured it out yet? We have arrived to our destination. And we're going up to the left, yeah. There's a small house there. This is where we are staying for the night, babe.
This is crazy.
Okay, you ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Talk to them? See where we're gonna stay?
Yeah.
Let's do it! So, what do you think?
Ah, this is crazy. I love this whole village.
Yeah?
They live in.
Let me put you guys here. How are we doing?
I don't know a good word for it. Just calmness. You say that?
Yeah, we talked to the persons who own this, or they work here voluntarily, and they said this is like an eco village where people come and they where people come. This is like an eco village where people where people work voluntarily. So they live here for free and they contribute to the eco village here, and they have their own food and soon water supply as well, and they are like self-providing in many ways. We are staying in their nicest yurt, and we have a really nice view over the green area around here from our balcony. Tonight I think we're just gonna, I brought some food, as you guys know and you saw earlier, so we're gonna cook and have dinner, cook some wraps. And we're gonna have dinner here and watch the sunset from our balcony. That's the plan, and maybe talk a little bit with the people who live here and get to know the area. Yeah, it'd be really nice. And we have no connection whatsoever here, so if anyone's trying to reach us, I'm sorry, we're not dead, we're just in the middle of nowhere, and
we love it.
We love it. The plan is to go to Albufera de Ana tomorrow. It's a lake and it's surrounded by really nice green nature. There are some hidden waterfalls here, and so we're gonna go hike and explore. That's the plan for tomorrow, and I think tonight we're just gonna eat, play some games, and relax and have some quality time. They have chickens here. I think they are walking freely here. Yeah, you can hear the toop. You can hear the male chicken. What do you call it? You can hear the cock roaster.
What? Roaster.
Rooster?
Never heard about
rooster.
Hello.
Is it? Not cock roaster.
Time to put this down. We'll see you guys later.
Later.
Now we are leaving the yurta to go down and check out the area and see where we're gonna cook our food for tonight. Is this where we're gonna cook tonight? How nice is this? This is really cool. Is this where they grow their vegetables? Yeah? Wow. Isn't this goals?
Yes.
Having your own self-providing land like this with vegetables and greenery and like having dogs run free or animals. It's just so nice. We just changed because we... Oh, you're so tall. Yeah, that's perfect. So we just changed into our swimwear so that we can go have a dip in the pool.
Yeah, it's
So it's
37 degrees or something.
It's
hot.
really, really hot. And we went for a walk earlier, as you saw, and it was so pretty, but really, really warm. So we need to take a swim now before we pass out. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna make some dinner in the kitchen. Good love. Good morning. We just woke up and had a morning meditation. It's really quiet and nice here. We don't have any connections on our phone, so we had to do a silent meditation. It was really nice, and it was really a challenge with all the mosquitoes everywhere biting us everywhere, but it was nice. And so now we are gonna go down and make some breakfast. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Hungry. Then we're gonna go head down to the waterfalls that are nearby here somewhere. The nature here is really nice, and there's supposed to be a really beautiful lake nearby, and yeah, we have a lot of things to explore. So I think we're gonna get started with the day.
Yeah, sounds good.
Elsie, what do you think?
She's excited about everything here.
Elsie's really excited. She's checking out all of the dogs that are running around here and all the animals. We're gonna go and get ready for the day. So we have now left the Eco Village. Yeah, it's been a nice day. What do you think?
Yeah, feel grounded and calm.
Yeah, me too. We met the owner of the place. He was very nice. We love meeting new people that are more spiritual than we are, because we always learn new things, and yeah, it was very inspiring.
Yeah, extremely. Yeah. Interesting life in general.
Yeah.
Living there in the eco village, trying to build this ambition about having like self-providing eco village where people can come and stay for free.
Yeah.
Who has the same mindset and wants to contribute to the village.
His idea with it was that it would be self-providing, that they have their own food, their own water, and they sleep there, they live there, they have their own electricity. It's just like a cycle. It's really cool actually. So now we are heading to our first stop, and it's in Anna. The city is called Anna, but this is, well, like 5 or 10 minutes outside of Anna, and we are, I think this is a lake where we can swim. We're gonna stay there for a little bit, and Elsie will have a swim and we will have a swim. I'm really excited.
Fantastic day.
Yeah, see you there. This actually turned out to be a really nice place.
Yeah.
You know, you should never judge the book by its cover.
Yeah.
This is what we learned today.
You see, like
Always
understanding
need to
about.
be reminded of that.
vegan.
Look at this. It's really nice.
Yeah. Even vegan was no problem. So.
Yeah, we're gonna have some vegan pizza, and yeah,
Enjoy.
enjoy it. Yeah. Okay, I think it's time to wrap up this vlog. We're gonna go to Valencia and have some dinner. I think we're gonna have some vegan sushi, right?
Yeah. Fantastic.
Yeah, we're just gonna spend some quality time together with our monster in the back.
Crazy!
She's crazy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please leave a like or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!